For close round 22, we make a slip stitch, top of first double crochet, 1 2 3 in chain 3, slip stitch. Round 22 finish. Round 23, 3 chain count as first double crochet, front post double crochet, around front post double crochet, a single crochet into chain 1 space, chain 1, a single crochet into next chain 1 space, chain 1, a single crochet into next chain 1 space, chain 1. We make single crochet until we arrive this front post. So single crochet, chain 1, a 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 single crochet. After the last single crochet, we don't make chain 1, we make front post double crochet around front post. A double crochet, top of next double crochet, here we made 10 single crochet and 9 chain 1. We continue this pattern, a front post double crochet, a single crochet into chain 1 space, chain 1, and we continue this pattern until we finish this round, and I come back here